Hey guys, so Michael Justin here with another episode of The Modern Gent. Really cool sneaks just came in from Nothing New, part of Thursday Boots line. They're new, very eco-friendly sneakers here. Men's low top. Okay. They thrive themselves on this kind of recycled plastic, 100% post-consumer recycled plastic and other sustainable materials. Packaging is fantastic. Yeah, you just knew it right from the get-go here on the recycled part of this. This is all just beautiful recycled paper. The shoes are really awesome. I love these kinds of kicks. This actually doesn't scuff as much as you would think. The material's quite good there. Nothing new. Seems to be pretty normal for a sneaker size. So I'm a little bit more of a 13 in a sneaker, size 13, and these held true to that. Size 12 in a boot. Pretty great. So I think they have 10 different colors. Yeah, about 10 new different colors on that. And then I got the black and white, and then this gray pair here. And this gray pair I actually have been wearing a little bit before this review. I didn't wear these guys yet, but I love this pair. I wasn't even sure of being a big fan of the one-tone sneaker all the way through, but I love this. I mean, that's a beautiful color there. Again, it seems very flexible. These super flexible and a durable bond between the outside edge and then here. This stitching is really good. Quality stitching. So I've been wearing these for a little while, and maybe just a couple weeks on and off, and so far so good. I actually feel like it's getting a little bit better. To be honest, when I first put my foot in, I felt like it was, because of the materials, and it's all, again, 100% post-consumer recycled plastic. I thought it was a little different from maybe other shoes. Maybe not as soft of a feel when you put your foot in. But over time, in the course of maybe, 6-7 times of wearing them, I started to feel like everything was loosening up a little bit more on the edges and on the top. And the sole, it does have a nice cushion to it. So it did get better over time. The first initial feel of going in here and putting them on, I wasn't sure, to be honest. It was a little suspect, and as I got into them a few times and wearing them, I didn't have any kind of blister, any kind of like rubbing on the toes or anything. Everything actually checked out over the course of a few wears. So there we go. Nothing new. Nothing new. A whole lot new here, if you ask me. I've never seen 100% recycled shoes before, so I don't know, that's cool. And I'll get a wear in on these, and again, I'll see how dirty this gets and see if it's an easy wipe off. That would bother me a little bit if everything got really messy around a white, sole like this. So it feels like it's just gonna rub off and clean up pretty well. That would be my only question with this shoe, and I'll wear them some more and maybe do another quick review and see how it is down the road here some. All right, thanks guys.